School drop-off done. We're Hagerstown bound. Gotta give a shout out to my boy Fishing Fins. What's up, George? Headed to Hagerstown. We got the management on that building. Put a contract out on it, but I don't think they like it. So we got the management instead. Back up here in beautiful Hagerstown. Remember that thing right there? We got the management. Contract's still out there. They may take it, they may not. We don't know. But I got a call from the city this morning that there is trash everywhere. So let's go take a peek at that first. So far, the complaint from the city is these trash cans have been sitting here for a week. And that trash has been sitting there for a week as well. Not in a can. So this will be fun. I love property management. So we'll start with the garage units. We got 6 of these to slap these dudes on. New management, contact me. If you don't contact me, you will be evicted. Let's see how fun this is. We got all our doors marked. Let them know. Now this is really corner, but new sheriff's in town. Got all the tools, got the log boxes. So when you're dealing with a multifamily space, at least me personally, I like to put one of these boxes right there. So we got 3 doors on this floor. So I'll put these 3 keys in here. I'll do one on the next floor and the floor above. So I got a few of these things to install. Let's get to work.